Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quants App. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,703.53% gains. Nifty 50 futures shut sharp, which was close to 100 points gains, which we witnessed. 44,071 Nifty bank futures, witnessing about 195 points gains, 0.44% overall gains witnessed in Nifty bank futures. Let's see where the SGX Nifty is pointing to. SGX Nifty gains of about 104 points. That's what is visible as of now. So let's see how that pans out during the day, because of course there is nervousness globally with regard to the Fed announcement, which is on the anvil, and also the general sense that whether recession fears and so on and so forth. So let's see how that emanates during the day. This is the Nifty chart. 18,800 thereabouts is the expected open as far as SGX Nifty is concerned. So we have 19,000 as the next major level. 18,800, of course, is a resistance point by itself. And 19,200 is the other level. So you have 18,800, 19,000, 19,200 on the higher side, 18,500, 18,000 on the lower side. Looking at the OI picture, you are seeing essentially some amount of short covering coming in Nifty futures. Let's see how this pans out for open interest. Open interest, we are seeing 19,000 as a major level on the higher side. Where call writing has happened, there's been some amount of concentration, equal concentration at around 18,800 thereabouts and 18,600. So that's roughly similar concentration of about call OIs. But major support zone as far as put OIs are concerned, you have 18,500 and 18,000. So those are the two major levels on the lower side. Well, looking at the Bank Nifty charts, 44,500, and that's going to be the pivotal level. It's quoting at around 44,000 as of now. So that's one level, and 44,500 is the next major level on the higher side. Supports being close to 43,500 and 43,200 and 43,000. So that's the indication. Longs coming in, as we had pointed out time and again, that the Bank Nifty chart doesn't look that bad. Time and again, there has been hiccups in the Nifty, but I think on the Bank Nifty front, we are having a long unwinding cycle going on. Well, looking at the OI picture from options, there's been unwinding in calls, 43,600, 43,800, 43,700. So that's been a series of unwindings there in the calls. Highest call OI at 44,000 and 44,500 is the next major level. So considering that, and of course the market is quoting close to 44,000 in the long dated futures. That's there. The monthly futures, supports being close to 43,800, and the major level I think is 43,500 thereabouts, where the put OI is concentrated. Tatacom, Polycab, MCX are the major gainers. Lal Pathlab, Lotus, Dal Bharat, major losers. Looking at the index contribution, 34.86 points coming in, a positive contribution from IT, supporting the markets. 16.79 positive contribution from NBFCs. Much of the sectors were in positive except metals, 1.65 negative contribution, and fertilizer and power were marginally negative as we see. Looking at the build-ups, infra, private banks, auto ancillary on the long side, fertilizer on the short side. Well, one of the stocks is Bharat Forge. quoting at 895 thereabouts. 907 is the resistance point, 910 thereabouts, and 920.25 is the next hurdle for the stock. So one would have to wait and see if the 910 gets taken out or not. So that's the litmus test for this stock. 910 above, it paves the way for higher targets for Bharat Forge. Major supports being 885, 850, 840 range, and 817. Well, looking at the OI picture, we are seeing some amount of longs, but kind of not a clear picture as such from the open interest front. Looking at the option OI, 900 happens to be a stiff point for this. So highest call OI is at 900. And you have seen some amount of unwindings happening in 880, 860 levels in the calls. And 800 happens to be the major put OI. So that's how it is positioned. The other stock is Naukri, which is InfoEdge. You have quoting it at 4179 futures. So 4230 and 4417 are the resistance points. Supports being 4000 and 3885. Again, Naukri, we are not seeing any shorts emanating, of course. But then there's a mixed bag on the open interest front. So looking at the OI picture, 4,200, 4,600 happened to, 4,500 happens to be the highest call OI. And on the put OI front, you have 4,000 as the major level. That's what we see. GNFC, BHEL, Delta Corp in the ban list. Well, before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before stepping into derivative trades. And also, please follow strict stop loss while trading in derivatives, or for that matter, while trading in the markets. 18,500, 18,000 is the Nifty supports, 18,800, 19,000 the resistance points, 44,000, 44,500. It's quoting thereabouts on SGX Nifty close to 18,800. So Bank Nifty 44,000, 44,500, 43,500, 43,000. Sectoral long built up, infra, private banks, auto ancillary. Short built up is fertilizers. We already discussed about the two stocks, Bharat Forge and Naukri. Ban list is GNFC, BHEL, Delta Corp. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.